So last time we are talking about when we work at home, we can do a group meeting, share files, and group chat, video chat. This time we'll talk about how to access your office computer through your home computer. There is free tools to do that. The name of the tools is Chrome Remote. Chrome Remote. Chrome Remote Desktop. It is made by Google, so it's free and it's safe to use. So at first, you need to make sure you access to you log in to your Google account, and then you just click the Set up Remote Access button. Then it will add the Chrome Remote Desktop to Chrome. Add extension. It will begin download at the left bottom. Okay. Then click it to start download. So suppose this is my home computer, and after we install the desktop host, we'll try to install it to the office computer and test if it is work. Okay. I think we already installed. Okay, so ask you choose a name. So let's say it's my home computer. So it need a pin for the home computer. At least 6 pins. So let's try 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Start. Okay. Now let's switch to my office computer. We'll use Oracle VirtualBox to demo the office computer. So make sure you log in to your same account as the home computer and do the same thing. Let's see. Okay, so from the office computer, you can see my home computer. Now we install this host to the office computer. Same thing, add to Chrome. So this one will add to Office computer. Okay. Let's downloading the app. So we download the app to the Office computer and click that to install it. It asks allow, admin allow it. Let's see the download, the installation. Okay, now we finish the installation and give the name Office computer. The pin, we can use the same pin or a different pin, doesn't matter. Let's save it in case we forgot it. Okay. Now we can see home computer is online and the desktop Office computer also online. Let's switch back to my home computer and try to access the Office computer. Just click that. Enter the PIN for the Office computer. Okay, let's minimize it and see if we access it. See, when I drag it, the other one also being dragged. Okay, let's actually close that and try to download some files from the Office computer. Let's open Explorer. Okay, now we successfully access the remote computer. Let me show you how to download the file from the remote computer. For example, let's me quickly create a notepad. Okay. Let me create a document. Let's see, thank you. Thanks. And let's save as to my document. and give it a name. Need download. Okay, save it. And now let's go back to my home computer. At the right side, the middle of the right side, you see a small area with a blue circle. Click that, and then you can scroll down and see the download file and upload file. You can also upload files through your computer, and this time we download the file. Let's close that first. It will pop up a window. Okay. So this window you show is on the remote computer. That means it's on the Office computer. Let's go to the document and see the Word. When you select the Word, the file, just click Open. It will start downloading. You see the download is already downloaded to your home computer. Let's open it and have a look. Thanks. Okay, so that's one we just download. Okay, so that's how you use the Chrome's remote computer desktop to access your Office computer. Hope you enjoy this video, and please visit my channel for more work at home related information and more tutorial. Bye bye.